Hello guys, this is Faith Michaels on this video, and then I am showing myself on the camera screen for the first time on this platform, and I have my reasons for doing this. Actually, like I said earlier, this is the first time I'm going to be showing my face on camera live here on YouTube and also across every other of my social media platforms. Though I have great followers via the on-screen videos that I do, tutoring people on how to make money online, create wealth online, and the rest. It is my privilege to show myself here for us to see, for the first time. And also, why I am doing this is because you have been following Faith Michaels' posts, his videos and blog and the rest. They much talked about Faith Michaels, and then you have never seen him on camera. Wow. But this day I decided to show myself on a more serious note, show myself for us to see my face. And what we do here, they are genuine, and I drop detailed videos here teaching people on how to make wealth, create wealth, manage their money, and the kind of investment they can get themselves involved on the internet, right? So these are those things we do here, and it is also important for you to know that the reason why we keep saying you share our videos is because we are adding values, and I like us to add values together, to lives together, people around you, your brothers, sisters, relatives, friends, loved ones. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you are going to be the first person to get the information we drop there, and you learn before every other people will come on the platform to start learning and exploring what we put there. You will be the first person to get the information, and you explore and begin to run with what we push out there. So my reason for showing my face today is because for us to be more serious with what we are doing. It is working for me, it works for others, and it should work for you too. And I believe that this year is one of our biggest year. It's one of the best year we've ever seen, and for sure, like I said, this year is for us. We started very small, and we are growing and going somewhere. We are going places already. Now we won't stop here because we haven't gotten to where we are aiming at, though we are not used to be where we used to be. So the same vein, you yourself, you won't be at the same spot. You keep moving and soaring from one height to another. Believe you me that this year is our year of total turnaround in business, family-wise, finance, and all of that. It is our year, and so shall it be. Amen. Please, before I head into my screen tonight, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. not only subscribe, like, share, comment, and it shall be well with us all. Amen. I will hit into my screen right now, showing you how to connect your phone, how to make use of your phone as a webcam on your laptop, on your desktop, on any of your system device. How to connect your laptop and your phone together on the same internet network as a webcam. I'm going to show us this. I'll be using this, and this is one of the tool or the application I'm using to talk to us live on this very video. So let's hit into my video system screen right away. As you can see, that is my system there. You can see that's my internet there. You can see it there. You can see it yourself. This is it. This is my system screen. That's my internet, and a whole lot of other tools that we use to do all of this. I will be going into the screen now to show us what we do here. This is me on my Facebook platform, and you can see, you can follow me on Facebook and the rest. All right, so the two applications I'm going to show us right now, one of them is this. As you can see, DroidCam client, but the name is just DroidCam, right? DroidCam. So you are going to download this system version and also phone version. You download phone version from Play Store, and you download this here from Google. You just type it on Google, look at it here, and go to this place and download it. Then the second one is IVCam. You download the mobile version and also download the system version. The system version, it works on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and the rest. 64-bit and 34-bit Windows, and these are the requirements you need on your system for you to get this connected. To get DroidCam connected to your phone via the same internet network. Now, I'll show us, once you download this, the next step is to open the application, which is something like this. Yeah, this is it here. Let me stop this one. This is it here. So as soon as you open it, you are going to you click on start like this. You're going to see something like this exactly. So you see something like this. See connect over Wi-Fi in bracket LAN. See this one, connect over USB, and create Wi-Fi server. All right. So on create Wi-Fi server, you don't need to do all of this. Just click on this one and then copy. The same. You are going to, once you open the application on your phone, there are going to be some code that will be there, that will pop up on your screen. You see something like this. Copy this exactly, type it with your keyboard here, and then this will come automatically with this application on your system. Then this one will be like this. This video will come ticked like this, marked like this. Then this is now your own choice now to decide if you want to add audio to it. Then if you want to add audio, you click on audio here, and then you start. Now this is me on the screen using DroidCam, right? And the second one, they works almost the same way. So you don't need to have both of them on your phone or on your system. You can have them like me. I have both of them, and you don't. If it is one you want to use, you use it. If it is both of them, but you can't use two of them at the same time, right? So you use one at a time. So any one of your choice you can use. I believe I've been able to show us how to connect your phone camera to your system as a webcam. Okay, so this is what to do. You see how to use your Android phone as a webcam for your PC or your personal computer or laptop. So this is how it is being done, right? So these two things are the ones, these two applications are the ones I can recommend. There are other good ones, but these are the ones I use, okay? And they are working for me, so I don't need any other one. So that is just it. And please, before I go from here on this video, I would like you to please subscribe. I'm encouraging us again to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and also comment, so that you'll be the first person to get any information on any new video we drop. And also, don't forget, we are investing our time, our energy, and everything in the lives of other people around us, so that they will also learn and come out of their dark places and be liberated via the information we put out. A lot of people are benefiting from what we are doing, and by God's grace, I believe we are impacting lives. So please join the ministry of impacting life, and God will see you through in your own business and also in all of your endeavors as well. So bye, and to have a great day ahead. I remain Faith Michaels, the one and only Faith Michaels that you've been following, you have not seen on camera. Here I am today on camera. Goodbye, and have a great day ahead.